Hey guys, welcome back to the another video. And in the last video we have seen how to scan the target machine using the nmap or network mapper, and we had all the services running on different ports in the target machine. And in this video we will try to hack the port number 21, which was running the VSFTPD protocol. So first of all, let us make sure the service is running. So we will make So to make sure the service is running, what we can do, we can perform the scanning operation once again. So let us scan the service running on port number 21, and the target IP is 10.10.131. So wait for the scanning to be finished, and here you can see the port number 21 is opened, and it is running the VSFTPD protocol 2.3.4 version. So before hacking, let us uh, learn about this. What is the VSFTPD protocol? So open up the Firefox, and let us search for VSFTPD, which is the very secure file transfer protocol. And here you can see VSFTPD is an FTP server for Unix-like systems, including Linux. So it is a type of file transfer, means we can use it for sending photos, files, different types of files, etc. So if you want to gain some more information about VSFTPD, you can search on Google and go to the Wikipedia page, and a lot of options websites are there to tell you about the VSFTPD protocol. But what we are going to do, we are going to use this port number 21 and gain access to the target machine. And we have seen the vulnerability was anonymous login was enabled. So and so let's hack it. And to hack it, what we are going to do, we are going to take the help of the most popular exploit framework called Metasploit. So let us so to hack it, what we are going to do, we are going to take the help of the most popular exploit framework called Metasploit framework. So open the menu and search for Metasploit framework and click enter. So it needs Kali the user root user password, and initially it takes some time to start because it starts a PostgreSQL database in the backend. So wait for that. And our Metasploit framework is running, and the first thing what we will see is this beautiful logo here, and every time it will be different, and you can type help for a list of options that you can perform using the Metasploit framework. It is the most popular exploit framework, and you can do whatever you want to do using this framework. You can write exploit as you can if you know how to write an exploit, you can use it from here. And the most exploits are written in Perl, so and Pythons as well. So you have to learn programming languages to write exploits. So you can explore this help menu here, but what we are interested in is to hack this VSFTPD protocol, which is running on port number 21 on our Metasploitable 2 machine. So let us search for this VSFTPD, and here we will see one exploit is there in Metasploit framework, and we have to use it for our hacking. And the rank is excellent, so it can hack your VSFTPD protocol. So let's use this and the index number is 0 here, so we will index number 0. And now we have to set options. So first of all, we need to check which options we are going to set, and it needs only two options. One is the R host and the R port. So we need, this is the R host option is for setting the target host IP, and the FTP always usually runs on port number 21, so it is already selected. So let us set the R host to the target IP 10.10. Oh, I got it wrong. 10.10.10.131, and exploit range, exploit target. It will target the IP automatically and port number 21. So let us run it, and there you can see the UID is root, GID is root. So we found the target that the sale of the target machine, and the command cell session 1 is opened, means we are connected to that. So you can see here it is command cell session 1 is opened, means we are connected to the target machine. And if you press ls, you will see all the files and folders in the root directory. So let us make sure if it is there or not. So go to the root and press ls, and here you can see all the folders, and all the folders are same as we have in the Kali Linux. So let us make one file in this Metasploitable 2 Linux, so to check if we are doing it right or not. So let us make one file. What we can do, hack.txt, and press enter. Oh, it says permission is denied, so we must have to pass sudo, and the password is msfadmin. Let's ls, and here you can see the hack.txt file is created. So let us ls again here, and here you can see the hack.txt file is showing here. So we have successfully gained access to the Metasploit 2 machine, and you can perform every actions. So let us, why don't we press help, and here is the list of options, the list of commands that you can perform in this session. You can download files, you can upload files, you can run your own scripts using this VSFTPD. You can run your own scripts in this cell, and it will be running on this target machine. So a lot of options are available to run, so try it by yourself. And you can search the VSFTPD protocol to in Google to learn more about VSFTPD. And in the next video we will try to find why this vulnerability is there, why it is so easy to hack this VSFTPD protocol. So one thing you have to remember, that we are using this, and what we have seen, that anonymous login was enabled. So I was telling that we are using this vulnerability to hack on this machine. So try to find out why we are why this VSFTP protocol is getting hacked too easily. So this is the task for you to perform, and practice this hack by yourself, so that you can gain confidence and learn about this type of hacks. And that is all for this video. Click like if you have enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, thanks for watching.